Data centers hosting online applications are under constant pressure to deliver 100% uptime. Distributed denial of service or DDoS attacks are a big threat to data centers, since such attacks can make online applications or services inaccessible. Control S, Asia's largest and India's only Tier 4 certified data center, quickly realized the extent of the problem in 2010 itself and the potential danger to their clients.
Small and big put together, close to approximately about 200 attacks happen in a month in our data centers.
Control S decided to opt for Airtel DDoS detection and mitigation services, and the partnership has delivered business benefits to Control S whilst they deliver the highest levels of security to demanding clients.
Control S, ever since it's founded, has been using Airtel's bandwidth services, and they have become our natural choice for our DDoS as well. The best technology possible in the world they have invested in, and very proactive network operations center as well.
The Airtel solution involved deploying smart detection devices, and the NOC would monitor networks proactively and detect attacks. Post-detection, the entire traffic would be routed to a threat management system. It would scrub out the attack traffic and release clean traffic through network pipes. And all this happens in real time. Control S is a happy Airtel customer because of the benefits they have experienced.
Most important, the value that we derived is a clean pipe. So our customers are assured of near 100% uptime despite the DDoS attacks.
More than 40% of Control S's business comes from the BFSI sector. Close to 15 banks use their data center services.
Some of our clients, a single second downtime would cost them probably $1 million or more in just the productivity loss, and much bigger loss in terms of reputation risk. During the last 5 years, our growth rates have been around 70% CAGR. And the majority of it obviously comes from BFSI e-commerce clients. And out of this business, more than 50-60% of this new business that comes to us is from our existing customers, giving us more and more processes, more and more applications to host, different departments of the company coming and outsourcing. I would say that this service has helped us significantly because we could provide them bigger uptime than their own data centers. If this service is not available, for example, that to cater to these DDoS requests which happen during a DDoS attack, we have to keep additional spare capacities of pipes which are not required anymore.